Artificial intelligence, AI, is not something that was discovered at a specific point in time. Instead, it is an ever-evolving field that has developed over many years, with contributions from researchers, scientists, and engineers from various disciplines. The origins of AI can be traced back to the 1940s and 1950s, when computer scientists such as John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Claude Shannon began to explore the idea of creating machines that could simulate human intelligence. They developed early AI systems such as the Logic Theorist, which could prove mathematical theorems, and the general problem solver, which could solve a wide range of problems. Over the following decades, AI research continued to advance, with breakthroughs in areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning. In recent years, the development of deep learning algorithms and the availability of large datasets and computing power have enabled significant progress in AI applications such as image recognition, speech recognition, and autonomous vehicles. Therefore, it's not accurate to say that AI was discovered at a particular point in time, but rather it has evolved over the years through the contributions of many researchers, and it continues to evolve and progress to this day. Artificial intelligence, AI, has been developed through a combination of theoretical research, experimentation, and practical applications. The development of AI has involved a broad range of disciplines, including computer science, mathematics, statistics, psychology, neuroscience, and philosophy. Here are some of the key stages in the development of AI. Early research. In the 1940s and 1950s, computer scientists began to explore the idea of creating machines that could simulate human intelligence. They developed early AI systems such as the Logic Theorist and the general problem solver. Expert systems. In the 1970s and 1980s, AI research focused on the development of expert systems, which were computer programs designed to mimic the decision-making abilities of human experts in specific domains such as medicine or finance. Machine learning. In the 1990s and 2000s, machine learning algorithms such as neural networks and decision trees were developed, which allowed machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Deep learning. In the 2010s, deep learning algorithms based on artificial neural networks were developed, which enabled significant breakthroughs in areas such as image and speech recognition. Reinforcement learning. In recent years, reinforcement learning has emerged as a powerful approach to training AI systems, allowing them to learn from interactions with their environment and optimize their behavior over time. Practical applications. AI has been applied to a wide range of practical problems, including natural language processing, computer vision, autonomous vehicles, robotics, and more. Overall, the development of AI has been a collaborative effort involving researchers, engineers, and practitioners from many different fields, and it continues to evolve rapidly as new techniques and technologies are developed.